What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm going to teach you exactly how to use SourceBottle. Now SourceBottle is kind of like Help a Reporter, if you're familiar with that, and it's a website where you can essentially submit opinions to journalists, and if your pitch is successful then you'll be featured on their website with a backlink. So it's a really good way to find backlinks, and if you've used Harrow before, helpareporter.com, then this is kind of similar. So in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it and how to get backlinks with it. Actually, one cool thing with SourceBottle is that if you want to get more content, say you want to get like opinions or create an opinion article and get free content for your site, then you can sign up as a blogger here. But for this video, because we're seeking backlinks, we're going to become a source. So from here, I'm just going to pop in my details, type in the code, and subscribe. So the next thing you're going to do is check your email for the verification and then click the link. Alright, so once you've signed up, you will start receiving emails from SourceBottle that look something like this basically, and it's going to be a breakdown of all the opportunities that you have from journalists to start getting PR and start getting links to your site. So you can see here, these are the titles of the query that you can respond to. So each journalist is looking for like an expert or an opinion on a certain topic. Here's the description, and then here's the deadline. Now the deadline is quite important because you want to make sure that you submit your query before the deadline is up. Otherwise the journalist probably isn't going to feature your response. So let's say we want to reply to this one, right? Have you changed where you work remotely to boost productivity and mood? So we click on there, and from here make sure you're logged into SourceBottle, and you'll get the full details. So you can see here's a title, here's the country that the source is from, you can see that it's a major news outlet, and you can see as well that you don't need to be a local to actually respond to it, right? And you've got here all the details of the query you're answering, right? So yeah, you can see all the details you need to respond to here and including your response. And then all you're going to do is pop in your name, your email address, and the comments here. Then what you want to do is click I've read and accept the privacy policy and hit submit. And it's basically that easy to start getting PR and start getting backlinks with SourceBottle. So what you can do is run through each day, each of these emails, check which responses are relevant to you, and then start applying. And it's as simple as that. So thanks for watching, guys. That's exactly how to build backlinks with SourceBottle. Now, if you want to get more backlinks to your site, I do run a link building agency. You can check it out via juliangoldie.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. And yeah, basically, if you want to start getting backlinks, actually increase your rankings and drive more organic traffic to your site, then feel free to schedule in a call or contact me on my website too. I've worked with dozens of websites, and I focus on helping my clients build white hat backlinks to actually increase their rankings and get more traffic. So feel free to get in touch if you're interested. Thanks for watching.